cleaning brush is there. So these three tools will be considered as a total entire of the table tools. Okay, so these are set of 1 tools and these are 1 and 2 combination tools, and these 3 tools will become considered total combination of the table tools. Okay, so first we can consider the experiment wise. Okay, once again we can repeat. The aim of the experiment is considered as, so we prepare the corner lap joint as per given dimensions. What are the dimensions are given, that dimension only can follow. So actually aim of the experiment is over. Next, raw material. So in that we can consider the raw material wood. Okay, so normal take wood. So this is nothing but normal take wood. First you can selection of the material. So in the direction just you can observe. So the unequivalent of the position is there. So just better you can choose. So which side is equal perfect is there. The width and thickness and length is there. So that side you can choose it. Okay. So after choosing yours over, next you can do the marking operation. Okay. So actual the corner lap length is how much? 125 plus 125, 250 mm. So better you can marking the 250 mm. 250 mm. Just better you can using the scriber. Okay, now initial position here only can consider 0. So just you can measure 25 centimeters. Okay, here only can marking with help of the scriber. Okay, so next we can draw the perpendicular line or parallel line. So better you can using the engineering tri-scale. Okay, so in that positions. Okay, so when you are rotating the right angle position, not left angle position. So when you consider the surface of the marking is over, so better you can choose the right angle position. So in this convenient position only can rotate it. And again we can marking the 4 sides. Only we can rotating the right angle position. Okay, so up to marking is over. So better you can visible the line using the pencil. Pencil or pen. So you can forming the line. Okay, already marking will become visible. So better you can choose the marking of the lines. Okay, so after marking of the workpiece, then better you can choose the vise, carpentry vise. Okay, in that this is a carpentry vise is nothing but holding device. Okay, so this holding device. So here only we can fix the table. Okay, so when the ratchet will become anti-clockwise rotation, so automatically the jaw will be open condition. Okay, actually here only 2 jaws are there. So one is a fixable jaw, another one is a movable jaw. Okay, so when you here only can principle of screw and thread. Okay, here only automatically threading operation is there. So when you open condition, automatically the threading operation will become open. Okay, automatically you can width will be can increase. The length of the width are considered as a increase. Okay, so one end will become fixed, another end will become movable. So this is a holding purpose of the material. Okay, this is nothing particular name as carpentry vise. In that vise, you only can consider 2 jaws are there. So one is a fixable jaw, another one is a movable jaw. Okay, just we can rotate in clockwise direction. So automatically the jaw will be closed condition. The jaw will be closed condition. Okay, so next, so better we can do the first marking operation is completed. Next we can choose the cutting operation. So we can cutting operation purpose. So you can cutting operation purpose. So here only can consider convenient of the position. The tools are every time. So here only safety will be can maintain the lab. Okay, every session or any work we can consider as a workshop. So better to can maintain safety. Okay, so without safety we can damaging the position of the area. So better to we can wear the shoes and aprons. Okay, so now in that position now aprons we cannot wear it. But when you do the experiment time, so better you can wear the shoes and aprons. So why you better here only can use the sharp edges of the tools are there. So but you can keep it inside in this direction. Okay, here only can end up the position. You can chiseling operation is over. But here only can keep it in that position. Again we can taking the metal jog plane or wooden jog plane. So automatically that tool will be can keep it in the fall down the downside position. So when you when you fall down the downside position, the end of the position will be sharp edges is there. So by mistake we can keep it in the your leg, automatically your leg will be damaged. Otherwise when you keep it in the fold on the floor, automatically the edge point will become damaged. So better to when you do the experiment or when you do the operations, so better to we can keep it in the tools safe mode. Any operation, any experiment, any trade, so better to you can maintain the safety mode. All tools are you can better to you can do the safety mode. So just the tools will be can keep it in the front direction. Now only can do the cutting operation is there. So that cutting operation purpose, so the tools are we can keep it in the safe mode. Next, so here only you can take the raw material is there. Okay, always so we can maintain the CG of the material. Okay, so in that you can carpentry wise we can operating the right hand position. So every time you can holding the tools on the left hand position. Okay, so better you can choose the CG. CG is nothing but center of gravity. So the total length of the workpiece is there. So you can middle position of the CG is there. So better to you can maintain the CG. So always you can holding up the left hand position and half of the workpiece will be can keep it in the hands. Okay, so just here better to you can maintain the CG. Okay, so after your only marking is there. So just marking operation will become there. So up to in this position only you can do the cutting operation. So in that cutting operation purpose, the keep it in the raw material here only. Only half of the workpiece you can hold it and so keep it inside the vise, carpentry vise. So and you are rotating the anti-clockwise direction. So the jaw will become open. And again, so keep it inside, only you can keep it inside the half of the position of the workpiece. So in that carpentry wise only you can fix the half of the position of the raw material. Okay, so just here only can little bit of the energy will begin apply. So this is a carbide tip. You can apply the overload. So automatically will begin damaging the carpentry wise. So, okay, just we can negligible of the materials. Okay, this is a carbide tip or cast iron material is the carbide materials. So when you apply the overload, automatically will begin damaging of the wires. Okay, so actually the each wires considered as 2300 is there. So when you damaging of the wires or any consider the lab section, so what are the persons will be can do in the experiment, that person only can give the fine. So you can group, you can allot the group also. Okay, so better to you can leave it the avoid of the damages. So just you can apply the little bit of energy will become enough. Okay, so next you can do the cutting operation is there. So cutting operation purpose, so we can do the, so here only cutting operation is there. So better you can choose the hand saw. Okay, so in that hand saw, so we can do the cutting operation time. So one sequence of the position is there. Okay, so actually your right leg is there and left leg is there. Okay, so when you do the consider as a performer, so better to your pickup leg. Pickup leg is nothing but your left leg. Okay, the left leg will be can keep it in the front side and the right leg will be can keep it in the back side. Okay, just here only can maintain this much of the energy length will be can maintain it. Okay, so but when you do the convenient of the working operation, by mistake you are unbalancing your body, so automatically your pickup leg will be supported. Okay, so with right leg you can better to you can keep it in the right leg. So you can inconvenient of the operation. Okay, any side, any operation, any trade, so better to you can consider as pickup leg. Your pickup leg is nothing but left leg. Okay, the left leg we can keep it in the front side and the right leg we can keep it in the back side. So just you can maintain this much of the length will be can maintain. Okay, so again we can do the marking of the position. Okay, so now first here only can forming the grooving. So grooving is nothing but already here only marking is there. So in that you only can forming the grooving. So in that front side any tools are there in that forward position, any tools are there, better you can keep it in the safe mode. Okay, so now you only can first you can keep it inside the in that position of the marking is there. So in that position only we can do the grooving. So just you only can forming the grooving. Okay, so now your only grooving operation is over. Next you can do the cutting operation. We'll begin using the two hands. Okay, so now here only we can move the forward leg and reverse. Forward and reverse. Okay, some of the students only can do the cutting operation in this way. Okay, so when you do the in this way, automatically only we can teeth will become damaged in this portion only. Okay, up to blade length of the the blade length will become there up to when you do the cutting operation. So we can move the up to blade length of the position, not in this direction, in this position. So complete we can move the total blade length of the position. Okay, so we can move the forward direction and reverse direction. After end of the position, so better you can take. So now you are on end of the position, your left hand will become supporting the raw material. Okay, so now when you do the cutting of the end of the position, now you are only forming the sharp edges. So better you can avoid the sharp edges positions. Okay, so this is nothing but 250 mm length of the workpiece. Okay. Okay, after cutting operation is over, so better you can keep it in the shape mode. So what are the position are there allotted to the tool position, that position only can keep it in the tools. Okay, so next the cutting operation will become completed. First sequence of there is nothing but marking and measuring and marking operation is completed. Next, after cutting operation will become completed. Next you can do the planing operation. So with help of the metal jog plane. Okay, so now when you do the planing operation, so in that your only different grain size are there. Okay, so when you tree will begin forming the uniform direction. So just you can observe. So in that first position, just your only plant will begin keep it in the earth. Okay, the initial position, the tree diameter will be okay approximately 20 mm is there. Okay, after 1 month the diameter will be increased. Okay, so increasing nothing but you only can maintain the uniform position. So you only can forming the grades. Okay, so just you can forming the layer by layer. Okay, so the initial position you only can forming the layer by layer. So better you can do the grains is there. So your only grades is there. Okay, so when you do the planing operation, so just when your fingers will become touch the workpiece, so that person only can know the which direction will be perfect suitable of the planing operation. So now you only can observe. So total the surface will become complete same position is there. But when you touch the finger, so just we can do the sliding the movement. So automatically the sliding of the movement, the grain size will become keep it in the, so in the direction we can move it. The grain size will become move it in the position. The grain size will be your only forward direction is opposite direction is there. Okay, now me only can know the sensor with help of the sensor. Okay, when you consider the experiment time, you also can observe it. So just you can 4 fingers will become move the sliding the just you only can sliding the workpiece. So with help of the your only sharp edges are there. So you can move the when you touching of the fingers the point grains. So that is the opposite direction is there. So better you can do the planing operation. The grain size will become kept in the same direction. So when you touch the finger, so you can slightly will can move it. The smooth surface is there. That position only can convenient of the planing operation. Okay, so now you can choose it the surface of the level position of the grains. Okay, so now you're only in this position only can do the planing operation. This convenient position can do the planing operation. Okay, now you can sliding up the move. Okay, now you're only without the fingers will become not sensor will become not touch it. Okay, now you can move the in this way. Okay, in this way the your only sharp edges will become touch the my fingers. Okay, now in this way only can do the planing operation. Okay, so now we can holding the always the raw material will become holding the left hand. Okay, so we can keep hold it in this position. So you can keep it inside the only half of the workpiece of the raw material. Okay, in that carpentry wise, this is nothing but holding device. This holding device will become considered only half of the workpiece will become keep it inside the carpentry wise. So remaining half of the portion will become move the upside of the carpentry wise. Okay, so just will become lock it. So just only can a little bit energy will become applied. Another otherwise we can apply the more load. Automatically the carbide trip will become break. Okay, so better you can avoid the injuries. Okay, better you can maintain the safety precautions. Okay, so just you can do the planing operation with help of the metal jaw plane. Okay, so you are always you can holding the right hand will become this handle will can hold it, and when you do the planing operation, so the left hand will become operating in this position. So just we can apply the little bit of energy force. So just you only can apply the some amount of the force we can apply the this position. Okay, so better to you can keep it in the tools or safe mode. Okay, so when you do the planing operation, so here also you can pick up leg you can keep it in the front view. Okay, always the pick up leg any time you can convenient of the work convenient position, your pick up leg will be can keep it in the front side. Okay, so this unbalancing a certain situation time, so you can do the planing operation, so automatically will begin damaging the carpentry wise otherwise wood. So just we can move the inclining the body. So better to you can keep it in the front left leg will be can keep it in the front view. Automatically you can balancing of the your body. Okay, that is nothing but pick up leg. Okay, so always we can do the pick up leg will can keep it in the forward direction. Okay, so now we can do the planing operation. So better to you can take the any one end of the corner position. So now you can take the any one end of the corner position. So that reference we can do the planing operation up to width of the workpiece. Okay, so now you only can hold it. The right hand will be can hold it, and the left hand will become supporting of the bulb or knob. Okay, so now you can do the planing operation. Okay, so when you do the planing operation, here only this much of the wood will be cutting up the layer by layer. Okay, so after we can planing operation is over. So better to you can keep it in the tool in this direction, not keep it in this direction. So when you keep it in the direction, automatically the teeth will be damaged. So better to you can keep it in the tools or safe mode. Okay, so always any position or ideal position or work convenient position, the keep it a metal jaw plane in this direction. Okay, so next already your only planing operation is completed. Next we can checking of the true surface level. So with help of the tri-scale. Okay, so here only keep it in this is considered as a tail stock. So this tail stock will be can coincide the given surface of the contact area. Okay, now here only you can observe. So the contact of the surface area will be complete. You can touch the surface of the area position. So that when you touch the tail stock in the surface of the workpiece, so that is the true surface level. So up to we can consider end of the position. Okay, otherwise this direction also we can check it. Okay, so now here only any gap is there. Here only can gap is not gap is there. This is a complete you can surface will be can touching the contact of the area. So this is nothing but true surface level. Okay, so we can based on the true surface level we can maintain the adjacent side. Okay, so this is based on you can consider this true surface level we can consider as, so you can measuring the required dimensions of the material. Okay, so now actually the width of the workpiece how much? 45 mm. Okay, this is a true surface level, and this adjacent side also you can do the planing operation. So complete 4 sides will be can do the planing. First, when you consider the initial position of the planing operation, that side will be can consider true surface level. Okay, so this true surface level will be can consider. So you better you can do the adjacent side. Okay, so actually the width of the workpiece is how much? Here only 50 is there, but your required dimension is considered as 45 mm. So now here only can measuring the 45 mm. So with help of the marking gauge. So now here only with help of the marking gauge. Here only sliding strip is there. Okay, automatically we can ratchet, we can lock it, and you can mention 45 mm. Okay, the end of the pointer is there. The end of the pointer will be can coincide 4.5 centimeters, otherwise 45 mm. Okay, so now again we can lock the ratchet. Okay, so without locking the ratchet, when you do the sliding operation, so automatically the position will be can change. So better we can do the convenient of the locking operation. Okay, again we can consider as a this is a true surface level. So better we can draw the line. Stop.
Battery. less than 20 mm of the battery anta.
Okay, actually the small mistake is there. Now here only you can consider true surface level. So you can mention you can draw the thickness adjacent side. Okay, so actually the thickness is how much? The required thickness is a 25 mm. Actual given raw material thickness is a 25 mm. But your required thickness is a 22 mm. So now here only can marking 2.2 centimeters, otherwise 22 mm. Okay, now here only can measure 22 mm. Okay, 2.2. So it's better to you can marking 2.2.
Kanapattu.
Okay, so again we can do the locking operation. So you can based on the true surface level. This is a true surface level. So you can we can based on the true surface level. So you can draw the adjacent side. Okay, now here only can marking. Just only can do the sliding operation. Okay, again we can rotating right angle position, not left angle position. So better you can tilt the workpiece in this direction. Okay, this side also you can do the marking. Just you only can do the sliding operation. Automatically when you do the sliding operation, will be conforming elaborated the line. Okay, so now better to you can convenient position of the marking purpose. So just we can draw the line pencil with help of the pencil. Okay, so this direction also. Okay, so this is convenient of the marking purpose using the pencil. So after marking operation is will completed, so better to you can keep it in the tool safe mode. Okay, again we can do the planing operation up to marking level. Again we can keep it inside the workpiece. Only half of the workpiece we can keep it inside. Okay, so up to marking level we can do the planing operation. Okay, up to here only marking level is there. That marking level we can do the planing operation.